on my chicken. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's get this one. Yeah, that's right. So you see, like I always tell you, you want to bamba, you want to chill with the big girls, join Oneness Bet. Because with Oneness Bet, I'm always winning and chilling with the big girls. Just download the app, from Google or Apple Store, you see, and register for the peer pressure promo code Fishing 2020. With the best series, you win big and you chill with the big girls. Let's come together on Oneness Bet. We win and win only. Mwah.
Yeah, Vision baby.
Previously on Peer Pressure.
Any kind of school?
Oh, me. Me a Prempo boy. Yes. I attend Prempo college.
And I rather travel school more one day.
Oh, Mama.
Rather travel.
Oh, me.
Did you really know?
What?
Did you really know?
Even if the research didn't help me or it will not help me, I'll go straight to them. I'll see, hey, high spirit, where do you get your source of income?
What are you doing here at this time? You're supposed to be at prep, and you are here with my fiancé. By the count of 3.
Cake in the building. It's first to the Kyekyeku.
Violin.
Yeah. Vision. Say, Mobi and Dada, more in Brady, and one pair your crab one pair. Mobi and my pressure, Pim Cock on strong man best strength. Schoolgirl CP needs to buy open now for same day I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys P no boy or back class hour depends no team seen to the bank. More in break and Satania back with 240. Peer pressure, it be real so I can't see me never found yeah and I'm in my wood. It became Mojeku for the cancel, trying to 7 flex yeah no near back. Sugar mama phone you date or no didn't come out what you say yeah my pap.
Be any fear free to ye be a good tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free to ye be a good tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And yes, a befo, peer pressure befo. A befo, peer pressure befo. A befo, peer pressure befo. A befo, peer pressure befo.
Peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure.
Be any fear free to ye be a good tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free to ye be a good tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And yes, a befo, peer pressure befo.
You can't believe it.
Peer pressure befo.
Miriam, Eva, you have really shown maturity. Yes, for forgiving Faustina. You see, it is not so easy for a senior to forgive a junior just like what you did. After embarrassing you in front of everybody, but you still forgave her. You've done very well. But you should have advised yourself. You should have. Anyway, there is a saying that strong people forgive, but weak people do not. They seek for revenge. And I am very happy and very glad you broke up with that teacher too.
Thank you, Eva.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate advice and whatever you did for me. You see, I've been in this school for a while, but I never experienced all this before. I've been with friends They always influence me to do bad things. Dating teachers, fighting all over the campus. But you are different. Thank you for your advice. And you let me know the reason why I'm in this school. I don't know what to tell you, but I will never disappoint you.
I know.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, dear.
Here.
Yeah.
Then I really have a pan. In person, you do some. The car box of them numbers. I don't hear any regular ones. Offer the offer. Oh, yes. Offer him the offer. Oh, Papa. Ah. But some of the work on fee. I could show me fee. At much such that me fee no corner baby. I feel that what you feel me fee is a king. It's my friend now. Offer now. I saw the cat and I saw Papa. What I go to a of Miss Colin from Nakama to me. I don't know what it's shock.
Udinyan 2 boys. Why? Yan 2 boys here. Ya dio million bekasa. Million bekasa.
Cynthia. I want to to say now. One house and one. Packet to be night you. When I say baby, so me. And my journey to say now. Now I have a fear now. Come draw off me because my friend is now. 2 boys. Never casa. Never casa sister.
Hipsy, can be bitched.
Just say, Omanga son will buy us and the home was so me. Who am so you crying? I think no why? Oh, who breast the crying in bone? Then the other it's time ago. I know what you said. Oh, I didn't knew about this. Watching, I did what done one. Watching. Towards your fun. That's what I feel. On fret, any Henry Cassa. What's not young Cassamu ever from a mother saw Mugintia. If it's a sister 70 hammer, a hammer. A Biamakuma could be sister 70 hammer.
There's a Marcanesan. When you see a tea, ya worry. A German teacher in Cratot of 1 year. Yes, home. Oh, quiet, I didn't go to ever 2 boys.
I wasn't afraid you can hang one of the papa. I didn't I don't remember. I don't know. I know small you are going to come.
Hey, baby.
You called me.
What is it? Why this face? Fosty?
You called me, I'm here.
What name is Kasao? You are talking to Ngomao.
Mama lipstick. Oh, lipstick. Me also. Wow. What? I'm on your face.
Jake ni Henry. I didn't say me for watch our unfa. Me for watch I that's all be ka me call. And I say unfa cry. I dey na ekoso.
Na wo Henry, bi bi say na ekoso na won kan che me na. Bo na say me na okay. Me nyawe nye ni na no school. Amomi, we say nti ba je say bo achi ni won chen.
Me who watch it? For the past 3 weeks, me who watch it. My friend is on for okay me call.
Anyway, you say then you will be upset. But
Mate, I heard everything. I cause odometry or Mati Bibia. Yeah, then Uncle Paz say, I knew administration, but I don't believe him say, Madam Lydia one day, or the beba. And Nicholas and Kayasa, you went too far. But I say, Kofu Ibri, ever can was a near the idea. You said what the man and go castle. Now, to a dream now, Jan life, man.
Ah, mommy, after purple, and yes, you're quite on Marco Tidy, and also. I feel buy no need to you see be about mommy. Only one chain.
Let's watch any school.
Yeah, only school. Only school.
Watch any school. And I'm a friend of our own.
Tell me about I'm a chemical when you become
yeah, mommy also. I don't
know also. Watch your dreams a day. And I'm a friend of our own fat. I saw the castle. And I said, open where you want. You better talk to him.
Mommy.
Watch no one in Casa. And yes, sir, they don't want pet.
You told me to buy something for you. I bought the thing. But the above prep at also twice. Me fell on from the call. What is happening? I'm talking to you.
For your information, Mr. Nkrumah, I do not want to be an option anymore.
How told you an option?
Mama watching Casa.
Mommy,
Mama in Casa.
Mommy a patch of why?
Watching our dreams a day. What's your body papa? No follow fool. My journey in Amo, shall not for a pebble. If you didn't come by the number Hunana, my journey in Amo, me frozen so I won't from the call, work at the call, or drinks a day. Muntunofu, like a body when young crab body. But me and I'm a pen, I'm a dear man, be binty and I'm a dear man. Muntunofu.
This relationship, this student-teacher relationship, it's over.
What?
I'm done with this relationship. So from today, I am your student. And you are my teacher.
Oh, no, but you are always my student. The fact that you are in this school, I'm here, you are my student. So what is your problem?
I'm done talking. Thank you.
Firstly, you're from Joko. And I'm crying go for you. Come on, some drama.
Monka Sanchez. And Ella last name I have
Mama. Mommy will start with the move. It's very bad case. What I say?
Don't understand if you have
the standard move. Mama, we bank at our back case. What I say? Because they get the back boy.
to a maid group, I'll see you.
See the master. How about today or down to the master?
First to the cake,
Hey, let's cut the pretense and call a spade a spade. Watch it. What's really going on? You can ask Henry. Why have you been ignoring Madam Lexte's calls?
Charlie, the woman, she make basa. And Charlie,
You should see the look on her face. She even wanted to cry. My friend, what is really going on? She complained bitterly of you not picking her calls, also not coming there for a visit.
Oh, Charlie.
Slow. After all, if for Deji, you have to know that she is the source of all your worth and your freshness. For crying out loud.
Yeah, sure.
Charlie, for day guy.
Jake.
Also,
Henry. This is not the matter of me not picking Mama Lipstick's call. There is a fire on the mountain.
Fire on the mountain?
like how? Also, blue, vibrate. Also,
Hey, we are seeing who?
I see you.
Henry. A couple of days ago, I visited Mama Lipstick. And then her phone started ringing. So I peeped and I saw Mimi calling. And then, to my surprise, I saw Mimi's picture popping up on the phone. So, yes, she wasn't around. When she came, I asked her, Mimi called, a certain Mimi called, who is she to you? And then she was like, Mimi is my daughter.
Yeah. Please tell me you're joking.
What made you?
Jake, she said Mimi is her daughter. Now, I said, now, Mimi no, school by uncle, Masa. She mentioned the name of the school exactly how it is. So I realized...
The same school?
Oh, I realized the Mimi I am dating here in this school is the same Mimi Mama Lipstick was talking about.
So wait, like if I the bad you did not Mimi, then in mommy.
Exactly.
Hey! Okay, man. Legendary.
Show the Cinderella story then.
Me, I know guy for.
Hey, I am damn serious. Masaja, they will train.
Oh, food then. Check like
me Matia Shini Domo school has seen you. I'm a tin who jay, mean tin who jay. Sam me nana, Neman, and so the sun and go out.
Boy, you know,
watch it. MOB anytime. Whoa. When you
this can never happen. Bro, T, set is out going to now. Like, beat me around you, me, and can run the two of them. So, like, one Naki, me now, Naki, and
Henry.
Legendary.
Henry.
Hey!
Forget about that thing. You know what? Watch it. You go to your door.
You
figure it out and we'll give you a solution. Don't worry. It's all about money we want. What are you talking about? Forget about this. God love things. You just move out to your dormitory. We'll sort you out. Don't worry. You go belly. You go.
This is not a small issue. Find a solution to this problem.
Henry, he did for this game.
Here because you bro,
just relax.
Can hear because Coco like.
Hey,
man, ready? He did knock one blood.
Mimi, so right now that you are saying this, what if what he's saying is true?
Charlie, you have a point too.
That would be
you and you know, pray. This can never happen. How possible is this?
That is what baffles my mind, Charlie. Do you know what? I think our business is generate money. Do you get it? So there is even a way to get more money from the mother.
I won't leave. Yeah. So today I pray for life, make money and buy my puppy brand new car. See all the beautiful things I not see before. I wanna live and be a superstar. Na. Jehovah hear my wish. Let everything be on my way. Cause I want to feel your grace.
Is she okay? What's wrong with you? Mimi, are you okay? Why are you vomiting like that? Mimi, are you pregnant?
Oh, this is such a thing. No, guys, this is serious. We need to do something about this. Like, seriously, she's hot. Damn. Something is wrong somewhere. Go back, Eliyasu.
Hey, ain't you mo? That they are from nothing my bedroom. Hey, keep quiet when I'm talking. Keep quiet when we are talking. Mo, yenjiamo. Ni friends won't go so. Na mu fifia say number ye. Enye mo jamuna ejina mumu inti ni ye pe bi efiri mu hanka mo.
Mommy, we are sorry.
Mo say no way.
We are sorry. Nye fault. Uber ni buki and na traffic or kwine no so. So means Fakye why? Informaji.
True.
Charlie born me. Hey, Maji no face you meet me down.
Why is your friend Bwaji?
Bwaji.
Bwaji was a Bwaji. I'm coming.
No risk me. Like Okofi.
Okofi.
Yeah.
Dear confusion or set between your friend Mamalistic any ono.
Confusion.
Die.
Osiki. Mr. Mami pin kon ka de masisi awa me pa cho.
Hi. Awu, urosures. Ami. Ami anajuji ya awpedin. Ami. Ankoto fi. Riri na okukurum awkoto.
Osiki mi o Rolls Royce.
Ami hu aye urosures.
Osiki Mr. We is emergency.
Ari
Mimi.
Emergency.
Mr. Mami kon ka Adombi no why Mr.
Aduru. Akosiki base yo abi yo.
This is no sick bay issue. I have to go and buy medicine for the girl. Yes, sick bay some. I don't know right now.
A sick base baby aduru the opibia or your sick base. Huh?
You know, won't tell us what chasing.
Amin, pisi me di me jume bi di aguro abeyi me di.
I'm think I will go free whatever until watching on mama lipstick bar school. The bunny and the car the same thing. Yeah. I'm a snazzy friend watching Mr. Henry and then it's snazzy watching. The way you know, now is a me them my fan channel. If you can't adventure and say that you won't see. And no, the situation they all want to say. They be on mama lipstick coffee. I know a thing. Who feel that? I'm saying, was mama lipstick now? Oh, when you call, no question that a mimi. So, Anna, Mimi no share picture, no, sir. Mimi watches when Mimi is always come. Anna watches when Mimi and mama lipstick Mimi in the back, the bow. Now, in the mass situation near West, no can say, Sammy, you create an watching here. A dating or come.
Hey! And the table can see. Hey! What can me akaba?
Akaba.
Hey!
So I call one blood. So are you? So one blood.
Hey, Jesus.
So like any effort, yeah, by any motion. Sure.
Are you worried? I will come.
I'm not be any of your hotel. Eh? Gosh, I want 6 bucks. Yes, sir. Hi, Mamma. Why?
I didn't hear me, dear. Oh, you know,
I don't want to be doing.
I'm who hear me.
I mean, come on, something to say.
I've ever seen you. I've ever seen you. I am back.
You see, you now.
I don't hear anything. I am with I'm a more cook. I'm a more cook. As a degree of fun who shall the nation in name who I mean, hi, I need my this year. I didn't make years to one young. I've ever seen.
You crash me. Hey!
To say,
this is serious.
It's a media by artists. Hey, the whole history when you are mommy.
It's I don't know, Mamma chairs. I can't know. Then chair better come, Mamma. Why? Hey, Munjao. Hey, Jake. Umfa and Predia was no more.
Hey, me.
So me job when you have a
I mean, Jenny fool. So joke. Jenny.
See you. So they are cheering.
That one has a winning. When you say, or be saying, did in the bottom, yeah, did in my ass. Come over here. Now, winning baby. When you forget about Mama Listic, Nelly, now, winning, you bookie dada. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Hey, are you ready? And then they say, wow, say, say, wow,
And then you wow.
Why is sweet?
And that
You're quite inside.
and let me sign no school. I don't need a joint. I will need.
Oh, corn. Can we strap the baby?
Mimi, the test tube indicates positive, meaning you are pregnant. How could you? You've really disappointed us, Mimi.
Hey, girls. You know, the harm has already been done. Let's take it easy on her. You know, the school has become dangerous in such cases. So let's find a way out.
So who is responsible for this pregnancy? Who? Mimi, talk! Can't you talk? Boache! Did you just say Boache? Wait, Mimi. So you're trying to tell me that all this while I was doing you, he was also doing you? Really? And for that Boache guy, he's really messed up. You teach him a lesson. You must feel our presence in this school. Have you told him?
Not yet.
So, what are you waiting for?
No, but I only accepted this proposal because I didn't have the money to pay girls. So
Damn!
I had no option.
This shouldn't be an excuse.
Now you listen. You go tell him everything. Is that okay?
Mimi, what is the problem? Are you sure you're okay? Please talk to me.
There's a very big problem.
Problem? What is it?
I'm pregnant.
You are what? Pregnant?
You make me ride like a dragon. Your love heat, I'm a tycoon. Pray to God on my boo. Baby, your love I see. Your love I see. Everything I see. Baby, your love I see. Your love I see. Your love I see. Your love I see.
What?
I know why you slow that. And I don't know why. I buy him a steady who content. Really, see.
Boys. Samaba.
Eliyasu.
Somebody bush castle. Charlie.
Charlie. No honor. Mimi Tom and Cousin. Okay, so we shall not be being common. Charlie. Mimi say, "Ebi kura good news be sikase be." Charlie me do what? Girl say onion.
Huh? What? Mimi say onion. Bro. Hey, once the baby anam kase is the man. Once the baby anam boy also. Bro, I will provide you pampers. The baby anam pampers the man. Boy, we need problem man.
I'm the oko when you kakre bia. Na okay cancel. Misa, maza. Sheni gana okasano. O she uniform no okasano aja say.
Na me dey shey.
So what's up, John? Watch it. So what you gonna do?
Bro, manengo. Ntina maba. Ntina maba.
What's our friends?
Boy, yeah, my checking the gun.
I say about here, I didn't know quite. They is covered in your life, yeah.
What's on your day?
On Claire's radio, simple deal. Claire and then I'll be behind the
Jake, have you forgotten that we are in school?
Uh-huh.
Anything else can happen.
Until my name happening.
She can die in the process.
Yo, bro, I support the idea. Yeah, about it. It's also my name. Pampers, you can be the better.
See, man, you see, I want to be about it.
Wash and one chair. Crying, I would die in a free one. Man, wash a uniform. Your girl. I see.
Doctor, yeah.
To wait me, Bomi.
Or maybe, yeah, within 30 minutes, bro. No more now. Pa!
Very sure.
No, be a claim. And we now see our clear to you won't be a market.
With the activities, you, young folk. John or anything.
Child, me, John, Charlie. So wait me, I'm a dear Charlie.
Why you?
That's why you are my dons.
Now we the real problem. What's your problem? Yeah, go be train come when.
More than my yeah, show me. I say my buy you, bro. Next one.
Watch it. Forget Henry though. I do.
See me feeling no.
Clear am now kokura. We just some few minutes. That's how I'm baby. I win and walk.
I win. Jake. That's what I'm feeling. Boy, you make my why see.
Clear no problem. Sure. I'm be eh. Oh, because you cry. You kung fu food cry.
Ah. Yeah, hambe.
Oh, forget.
Next on peer pressure.
Let me take you to the hospital to get this thing cleared off. I don't trust this medicine you brought.
Be positive. Just be positive for once.
Positive about what?
Many people have used this and nothing happened to them. So why not me?
I came to this campus as a cool boy. You taught me how to smoke. Taught me how to drink. Taught me how to scale wall. And now look at me, HIV positive. God.
You know, there are some situations in your life. About Sua. Oh, dear woman. Now I've been woman. So, the bayer soon, dear. Focus a chain, I'll go.
K in the building. It's first to the K-E-L-Vin.
Violin.
Yeah. Visionation. Say, Mobian Dada, more in Bradian, no one pay your crab one pair. Mobian more pressure. Pim caught on strong man best string. Schoolgirl CP needs to buy open now for same day I will be a lesbian. Fraud boys P near boy or back class hour depends no team seen to the bank. More in break. And Satania back here 240. Peer pressure. If you real one can't see me never found yeah and I'm in my wood. It became Moja good for the council. Trying to 7 flags there no one nearby. Sugar mama phone a date or no didn't come out what you say yeah my pop.
Be if you're free to ye be I do too. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be if you're free to ye be I do too. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And that's a befoul, peer pressure befoul.